Hello everyone, this is Shrey from SkyMount and today I am going to explain you about layouts and prints. Okay, so now you can see I have done a plan over here where I am having my plan, elevation, section and the site plan. Okay, so now here at near the command panel here you can see there are three tabs over here. One is saying model, one is saying layout 2 and layout 1. Okay, so now here whenever I am going to create layouts, very first thing I am having two ready-made layouts over here. Okay, so just what if I'll happen if I'll click on these layouts. Okay, so just click on layout 1 over here. So you can see whatever the drawing I have made is being updated in this page, isn't it? Okay, same way now here what I can do is even I can work here as a file itself. You can just see if I double click on this page, you can zoom in, zoom out, okay, adjust it, whatever you want you can do it over here. Okay, so whatever I am going to update here, like for example just imagine if I am going to draw a rectangle. Okay, I'll draw a small rectangle here. You can see here in the model that rectangle is being updated automatically by itself. I have not done anything over here. Okay, it's got updated automatically by itself. Okay, same way if I'll updated something here, okay, the same thing will be updated in the layout also. So you can see it is gone again. Okay, so now here if you want to come out, now you can see still it is zooming and zoom out. Okay, if you want to come out of this, then what you can do is just have to click outside. Okay, you can see you can zoom in, zoom out the page as well. Okay, so now just imagine if you want to create a different template. You can see there's a very simple template here. I want to create a template like where I should have some rectangles where I can write here all the names, engineer name, the joinery details, and later here proposed building for. Okay, those all things. And if you want to write, then what I can do, even I can create my own template. Okay, so how I can do is first this template I will delete it. Okay, you can see I've got a blank page over here. Okay, see here like this, I'll be getting a blank page. So here what I'll do is in this page I can draw whatever I want, like using the normal draw tools and all that. So here what I'll do is I'll leave some space and here I will start doing like whatever the template I want to create. Okay, like this. So you can do this as per your convenience. So however you need your plot, you can do it like that. Okay, so you can see now here I need 4 partitions as well, like for example one for plan, one for elevation, like that also you can do. Otherwise directly you can just keep it as simple over here. Here what you can do is here you can give the joinery details, you can write the engineer name, the scale and all that, name, template and all that will be coming over here. Okay, here it will be coming as proposed building for whomsoever it is. Okay, so now here the drawing which I have done, I want to add it over here. Okay, so what I can do is here I'll go to layout. In layout here I am having to add the viewports over here. Okay, so I am having 3 types of adding viewports method. One is rectangular, second one is polygonal, the third one is object. So rectangular in the sense you can just see here I am having a proper rectangle. So what I'll do is I'll just click on rectangular. I'll just select a rectangle here. I'll draw a rectangle. You can see it is got updated automatically by itself. Just suppose if you are having a view which is not a rectangle. Now just imagine if you are taking one more rectangle over here. Now you can see it is got irregular. Okay, it is not a proper rectangle. So that time what you can do is you can select polygonal over here and you can add a polygonal viewport by selecting the edge of the rectangles like this. Okay, so in this space itself the plan will be added. You can just see here this again, this is not vacant. Now when you are going to use the object, okay, you won't be having any circular kind of thing, but to here if you are having a circle, in this circle if you want to adjust your plan, so what you can do is you can click on object and select the object. The plan, elevation, section, everything will be coming in this object itself. Okay, so you can use these kind of methods to add the viewports to your plan. So here what I am going to do is I'll be selecting a same like this rectangular and I'll add a rectangular over here. Okay, you can see the plan has been added. Okay, so here what you can do is you can use text and all that and you can write down whatever you need. Okay, So same way, instead of creating these kind of layouts, I am having a ready-made layout also. Okay, so here what I can do is, here in layout tab, here if you want to take a new and a simple same like this, then you can click on new layout, you will get a new layout over here, naming as layout 3. But I am not going to take a simple layout, I am going to take a ready-made layout. So what I will do is, I will take it from a template. So click on layout from template. So you can see here, you are having some templates over here which are already ready-made. So you can use these templates. Okay, so I will select this one and I will just click on open. Okay, so the sheet size is A1, so click on OK. You can see besides this you got one more tab, so just click on that tab. Your layout has been ready, but you can see here your drawing is come too small. So again, if you want to open it, then if you double click, it is not going to zoom in and zoom out because this is a ready-made layout. So what I am going to do is, I will delete this. Okay, using this rectangular, I'll add my different layout over here, like this. You can add it. Okay, so next afterwards, again here you can add the joinery details and all that. So here you can see everything is being given over here: design by, check by, approved date, file name, date, and everything you can just write it down. But instead of giving the names, they have given it as XX. So what you can do is, you can edit this also. Okay, so double click on this template over here. Okay, so here a dialog box will get open. So now check by, like for example, if I am going to write a name over here. Okay, like for example, I'll write it as Raj. Okay, so just click on apply. Okay, you can see it is got updated over here automatically by itself. Okay, same way like this, one by one you can edit it, these all the things, and you can write it as per your requirement. Okay, so this is how you will be setting a plan. So now if I want to take the printout of this, okay, so now if I am having already a printer ready made with me, then directly I can take a printout. But as it is a A1 sheet, so A1 printer won't be available with me. So what I am going to do is, I am going to convert it to PDF, and then I will go to the shop and I can take the printout of it. Okay, so how I am going to convert this plan to a PDF format. Okay, so here very first thing, just click on Control P. Okay, so here your plot will get open. Okay, so here what you are going to do is, here you are going to set the name, like what you are going to do. So here you are going to create it from drawing to PDF format. So here you can see there is an option of drawing to PDF. So set this option as drawing to PDF. So next here you are going to select the paper size. So A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, so this is A1, so I will select it as A1. So now here area to plot, what to be plotted. So just drop down this and here click on window. Okay, and here what you are going to do is, you are going to select the window, how much you are going to plot, like this. Okay, so next just click on center to plot over here. Okay, and just click on preview and just see whether the print is come properly or not. You can see exactly the edges is being adjusted properly. Okay, so now here what I will do is, I will right click, just click on exit. So here you are having several options which I like to tell you. Okay, so here very first thing, here you are having plot style. So like if you are going to take a color print, if you are going to take a black and white print. So if you are going to if you are going to take a color print, you are going to set the color plot style as ACAD. And if you are going to take it as black and white, then you are going to set it as monochrome. So I am going to take a black and white. So if you will just click on none also, it will be taken automatically by itself. Okay. So drawing orientation, how you need the drawing orientation. So it is a landscape view, so I will select it as landscape. So if you need a portrait also, if you want, you can select it as portrait as well. Okay, so just here if I want to plot it now, I'll just click on OK. Okay, save it wherever you need, like for example in desktop, I'll give the name and I'll click on save. Okay, you can see it is got converted to PDF. Okay, after you convert it, you can see the PDF will get open like this. Okay, so this sheet is too big, so it's not visible the whole plan. Okay, so now here rather than these templates, Okay, if I am having a plan ready made with me, which I have done the template by myself in the drawing page, in the model page itself. Okay, so directly here also you can convert it to PDF. No need to apply it for the layouts. Okay, so here what I do is, here directly I click on Control plus P. Okay, the same settings again you are going to do it over here. So here I'll set it as drawing to PDF. Okay, page size, here I'll select it as A3. Okay, select it as A3. What to plot? Drop down this, click on window, and this portion I need to plot. So I'll select this portion, click on center to plot, click on preview. So you can see exactly my plan has been adjusted to that. Okay, so it is not necessary that you have to use a layout itself. If you want, even you can use a plan which is already the template and all that, everything you have added directly here. Also you can convert it to PDF also. Okay, so I'll click on Control P. So now already I have set this plot. So what I can do is, here name, I'll drop down this and I'll click on previous plot. The plot which I have already done, it will be taken automatically by itself. See here. Okay, so here again everything I have set. So I'll right click, again click on plot, so that it gets plot. So if you want to just take this plan, okay, even you can do it like that also. Okay, just if you want to give the customer only this the plan, then here itself directly click on Control P. Okay, so here I'll select it as drawing to PDF again, and page size I'll select it as A4. Click on window and just select this plan. Okay, click on center to plot, click on preview. So you can see here, if I want, I can take this plan as portrait now. So I'll right click, click on exit, and I'll select the orientation as portrait. Select it as portrait and click on preview again. Again you can see the plan has been adjusted properly. Okay, so you can right click and just click on plot. Okay, so this was all about layouts and plots. Okay, so thank you. To like this video, to subscribe.